Okay, so today we're going to talk about volume of a rectangular pyramid. Remember the first word, rectangular, describes the shape of the base. So we know we're going to have a rectangular base. And then today we're going to have pyramid. Previously we had prism. Prism meant we had rectangular sides. Pyramid means that our sides are all going to be triangles. So the formula for finding volume of a rectangular pyramid is BH, but it's 1/3 of the BH. The capital B still stands for the area of your base. That's still area of the base. So we're back to our base being a rectangle though. So we're going to say B equals 1/3. The area of the base is a rectangle, so it's going to be base times height. Plug in your numbers. So we're going to have 1/3. Base is 8. Height is 3. And then the height of the pyramid has to go straight up and down. So you're going to look for that point and see which one comes straight down and has your right angle box on it. So in this case, it's going to be 10. Well, 1/3 of something is the same as dividing by 3. So again, I can divide these. So I end up with 8 times 10, which is 80 inches. Since we're still doing volume, it's going to be cubed. So when you look at today's assignment, just like from Friday, I've started you off with the formula and want you to fill in as you go. So we have volume equals 1/3, capital BH. Again, the shape of your base, it's kind of shaded in there, as your area, as your rectangle. So we're going to plug in the numbers 18 times 12. And then the height goes from the point to the right angle, so it's 19. So then we're going to have 18 times 12. So you're going to use your calculator and get 216. And then 216 times 19. 4,104. And then we're going to be rounding that, or dividing that, and our volume is going to be 1,368 inches cubed. So the main thing is to remember the 1/3. You've gotten used to doing the capital B times H, but this formula has 1/3. But you're going to have your formula chart handy, and it has it written right here. So let's do one more. Volume equals 1/3 base times height, capital BH. Our base and our height for our rectangle alone is 10 and 4. And the height is 8. So I'm going to have 1/3. Well, 10 times 4 is 40 times 8. Well, 8 times 40 is 320. I'm now going to divide. Notice it says in your directions to round to 2 decimal places. So your answer is going to be 106 point, and since you have 6, 6, 6, 6, the 6 will bump the 6 up, so you're going to get a 7 feet